Tumega decided to keep Zetu's baby. She reminded Zetu that Zetu did not even want the baby. She wanted to terminate the pregnancy. Even when she was begging to sue Mtanakhe, she refused and said she would rather involve social workers. USigqibo noSiyoliso were fighting. UDubs walked in on their fight and asked Ukuba, is this how you treat each other la endlini? ULwandle noTatakhe, they are getting a second chance or giving the relationship a second chance. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Uzethu saw, like, she's like, yes, how can I trust you, Mtanam? I trusted you, and this is what you do to me. Now my baby is gone. Where is she? Why would you leave a newborn baby alone? Uthokozile naye, she's confused, saying, it's my fault. I don't know who was watching us. Ithatha umntana. Uzethu was shaking. Uzamphusa nombhubhudla, sugar water. And they decided to call the police because we cannot call abantu bakamabandla. They're just going to make things worse. They called the police, started explaining to the police what happened. And then when they came back, the baby was gone. The police wanted the information. Was the door closed? Was the gate locked? And what was the baby wearing? They wanted pictures of the baby. And now they're treating this whole case as kidnapping. Uzethu is like begging them, saying, please find my baby, please, and told him Tanam. And then Uhlathi Thulane, they're sitting chatting, saying that Uhlathi is saying that Uzethu must focus on Ukba Umama and raise Okuhle and leave Xolani alone because Uba is a good guy, but nje relationship was just making him uncomfortable. Besaxoxa uThumeka walks in nomntana kaZethu. They're shocked ukuba how. Wena novakele here, what happened? Abakasithole, they gave you the baby. Meaning you're a good negotiator, Mus. Thumeka then starts explaining yo, I found baby Vakele sitting alone. No sign of Zethu, no sign of Thokozile. Umntana ubeyedwa. The door was even open. So uThokozile was rushing to go see Steve that she even forgot to close the door. Athi Uhlathi, how? What do you mean? Like, did you try phoning them? Did you do something? Athi Thumeka, I did. I went around the house. I don't even believe that. I went even around the house, but there was no one. But Uhlathi naye, is questioning this whole thing. And he says, well, I went there to talk to Zethu about this KZN thing. But finding the baby alone, I realized the baby is not safe. Yakho safe long time. Zethu is not fit to be a mother. So I took the baby. Let her. But Uhlathi is concerned because this whole thing will be seen as kidnapping because you just went there and took the baby. You try calling them or something. Uthulane is supporting Thumeka, saying that, no, man, we must just focus on the neglect Zethu because how do they leave umntana yedwa? Thandeka walks in, hysterical, saying umntana Zethu is missing, only to find that Thumeka is holding baby Okuhle in her hands. Uvakele kusho kwabamabandla. Athi hawu, Thumeka umthathaphi umntana. Uhlathi starts explaining ke umthathaphi. Athi hawu, manje did you call Zethu to tell her that you have the baby? Because I'm from Zethu's place. Zethu is hysterical. She's worried about her baby. She even called the police. Thumeka, I'm not going to do any of that because Zethu is careless. Umntana khuselekile, she's home. Uhlathi is like, but no, man, we're dealing with a mother who's suffering. Mtanakhe is gone. And now the matter is with the police. This is like a kidnapping case. Uhlathi is like, you know what? I'm going to call Zethu myself. I've just had a yes mfonele. And again, Kichimu Zethu with how. What's going on? Mtanami went to Canva's room. But you know, Mtana now, but Uthumeka is blocking the way. Doesn't want Zethu to go see the baby. Oh, Ati, you're not going to see this baby. Ukhohliwe ukuthi ushiye umntana ayedwa. How do you leave a newborn baby alone? No one, akekho umuntu ozokuthethelela. Uhlathi is busy explaining, no, Thumeka, man, awumyeke uZethu athethe. Uthokozile was even saying, I'm not going to let you bully umntana sekhaya wena. Thumeka babhizi bathula wena. When Zethu tried to go to the rooms ukuyobona ubaby Okuhle, the way uThumeka amkhodule ngayo, pulled her kabuhlungu kanjani and said kuba wena, no one is going to defend you. Have you forgotten because you did not even want this baby? Have you forgotten because you wanted to terminate the pregnancy? Ubungamfuni wena lo mntana. So don't you come here and act like you really wanted the baby. Everyone was shocked with how can Thumeka go so deep? How can Thumeka go so low? Reminding Zethu that she wanted to terminate the pregnancy. The way Zethu bekhala ngakhona, I feel like everyone was not defending her, man. And now Thumeka has got to remind Zethu kuba she's not fit to be a mother because first she put baby Okuhle in the rubbish bin. Now she leaves her alone. And to be honest, Zethu is not wrong. Zethu went for a walk, leaving her baby with her sister Thokozile. Umuntu wrong la Thokozile. I know that was doing so well nomntana, but now she's being crucified for something that is not really her fault. But Utumeka has been waiting for this time. She says that I've been waiting for proof. I've been waiting for this time to prove Gutwena you are not a fit to be a mother. Now Utumeka wants to involve social workers so she can take baby Uguhle away from Uzethu. She's so cruel as Utumeka. Now, Mamaga Azande is worried about Usiyolisa noSigqibo, saying Kuba no man for Usiyolisa to even pack her bags and go a Cosmo. Because she was shocked to Usiyolisa went to Cosmo when they were fighting. At Kanjan, like for a woman to do that, take the baby, pack her bags, means like inkulule. And then as I also mentioned that accused Usiyolisa of cheating. At yeah, that is hateful. Unjani Usiyolisa at yokubi mam. Mama Katsu Yazin, I'm not going to take another divorce from Ustribo. I'm going over there to talk to them. There's a baby involved now. They go, Azan didn't want to get involved, saying if they find out I told you I'm going to be in trouble. Zolega then is phoning Butake, but Butake can sense that there's something wrong. I no, I'm fine. She decides to hand the call when Lazarus walks in. Lazarus tries to talk to her, saying, "Can you please talk? I'm afraid this silence between us is just going to end up drifting apart. Now, the only thing we're holding grudges, like we're just drifting more and more apart." He tries to reach for Zolega's hand. Zolega pulls away. Kanti Dabs is walking in no Azande. Witnesses this reaction, realizes Guti isimo is so bad that Usigqibo no Usiyolisa they're treating each other like this. Also, Zolega was like I feel like she felt ashamed when she realized that Dabs ubabonile like them behaving like this. And when she asked how are you guys treating each other in Kanji? Obviously, Dab's going to sit them down. They're also going to call Tataga Sigqibo and have a family meeting and talk about this. Now, Ulanda says that he's happy that his father finally is not blaming anyone. He's accounting to the mistakes that he did and that he also made a lot of mistakes, big ones even. But he wants them to work on their relationship so that they don't end up like, Sydney no Butake. Shem, they were so happy because they're giving a new start and they give each other a hug. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.